Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 4th of July, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, electricity consumption in Argentina reached a new winter record of 28.12 gigawatts on Tuesday. According to data from the Wholesale Electricity Market Management Company, this is the highest peak demand recorded on a business day. Extreme temperatures were recorded in all 23 Argentine provinces and the autonomous city of Buenos Aires. Some distributors implemented preventive measures to preserve system security and ensure supply to residential demand during the cold snap. Energy modernization projects in 9 member states of the European Union will receive a total of €3.66 billion from the Modernisation Fund. It is the largest disbursement to date from the facility financed by carbon pricing revenues. The selected projects focus on renewable energy, grid upgrades, energy storage, and energy efficiency. The largest beneficiary of the latest disbursement is Poland, followed by the Czech Republic, Romania, Hungary, Croatia, Greece, Latvia, Lithuania, and Slovenia. Turkey's installed renewable energy capacity reached 72.5 gigawatts by the end of May 2025. This marks a 4.5-fold increase over the past 2 decades, the country's energy ministry has said. The share of wind and solar in total installed capacity rose from virtually zero in 2005 to 30.2% in May of this year. Overall, renewables accounted for 60.8% of Turkey's total installed power capacity. The share of renewable power in Germany's public net electricity generation was 60.9% in the first half of 2025. That is a decrease from 65.1% a year earlier due to lower wind energy output. Wind energy was once again by far the strongest source of electricity in Germany, generating 60.3 terawatt-hours in the first 6 months of 2025. Yet the generation was lower than the level of 73.4 terawatt-hours in the first half of 2024, as there was less wind. Britain is launching its first-ever onshore wind strategy, designed to boost renewable power capacity and increase jobs in the sector, the government said on Friday. Britain is aiming to largely decarbonize its electricity sector by 2030. Under the strategy, it is launching 40 actions to help boost onshore wind projects, such as offering funding for things like football pitches or libraries in communities hosting the projects. They are also working to repower existing wind turbines coming to the end of their lifespans and improving the planning process for new projects. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.